All right, let's talk carports. How do you pick the right one for that crazy Gauteng weather?
So you see one for 4,500 and another for 36? What's the deal with that? Yep, for a single carport in Gauteng, you're looking at a pretty wide price range. It really just boils down to three things: roofing, structure, and where you're putting it. First things first, for most of us, it all starts with a budget. So what's your number? If you're on a tight budget, the ShadeNet is your go-to. It starts around $4,500 installed. Willing to spend more? Then you're getting into tougher stuff like IBR steel or even premium Chromadek. Okay, now for the real question in Gauteng. What kind of protection are you really after? Look, shade nets handle the sun just fine, but for hail, you're going to want steel. And the pros agree. For those wild summer storms, IBR sheeting is the smart play. So you've got this trade-off, right? Cost, how long it lasts, and how well it protects. All right, here's a neat trick. Your home's layout can actually help you save some cash. Basically, you can mount it to your house wall or have it stand on its own with posts. And here's the thing, attaching it to your wall is almost always cheaper. Why's that? Well, fewer posts means you're saving on both materials and the labor to install them. Simple. If you want that sleek, no poles in the way look, you can go cantilever. But yeah, it'll cost you. Okay, so let's wrap this up. How do you actually make the final call? Just ask yourself, what's my budget? What's my biggest weather worry? And can I use a wall? It really comes down to this. When that next big storm hits, what will you wish you'd picked?